Hey everyone, so I'm out here at Big Creek, gonna do some hiking on the Thousand Hills Trail. Got my trekking poles. We had 2 snowstorms over the last couple days, and I want to do some snow hiking. I'm gonna try to make it all the way out to the lake, which is about 2 miles, so let's see what happens. What sucks is I forgot my chest mount. So I'm going to try to set it up in my jacket here the best I can. Made it down to the creek. Doesn't look like there's too much water in it. And I got my rain boots, my waterproof pants. Since I forgot my chest mount for the GoPro, I'm thinking about ditching one of my poles, picking it up on the way back. I only really need them whenever I'm pulling a sled full of camping gear on a camping trip. So I'll probably just hide it somewhere and pick it up on the way back. That way I can hold the camera and still have one of my poles to help get up this long hill that's coming up. About to come up on the fork now. So I can either go left or right, and both directions will take me to the lake. But I'm gonna go left because that's the shortcut to the lake. If I go right, by the time I get to the lake, I might as well go all the way around and come back up this way. Well, I don't plan on doing the whole loop, so I'll go to the left, get to the lake faster, and then from there I can turn around and come back the same way. I also decided not to ditch one of my poles. Figured I'd just carry them till I need them. I did need both of them to get up a steep hill back there. No way I would have gotten up with no poles. These are Ozark Trail trekking poles, and they do the job. A while back I had another set of trekking poles. Only got to use them once and I lost them because after my camping trip came back to the car and I left them in the parking lot. Forgot all about them till the next day. Went back out and they were gone. Just about at the lake now. You can barely see it over there. It's iced over and covered in snow. And I'm just about there. I'm not sure if the lake went back down or not. When the lake is low, all that down there is sand. Yeah, there's the water line right there. So all that up here should be sand. Just to be sure, go up a little bit farther where I know I can see the ground. Yeah, it should be okay right here. Yeah, I'm on the ground right here. The water line's right up here. Yeah, there's ice right there. So this is the edge of the lake right there. Another reason why I wanted to come out here was to fly the Mavic Mini out over the lake and go see Thousand Hills State Park, all connected up, ready to go. So let's get this thing up in the air. that's pretty much all I wanted to do today, was hike out here and fly my drone over the lake. I wasn't able to make it to the park because I lost signal and I flew back behind all them trees. So lost signal and had to return home. But I think I got some good footage. Time to head on back to the car. Even out in this weather, I still come out here. But as far as winter camping, I gotta get in the mood for that. Because right now, I definitely don't want to camp in this. Something that you gotta mentally prepare for. Because you don't really want to be out in this kind of weather camping. You're not gonna have fun at all. Bunch of geese over there, they were flying north and just turned around and started going south again. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera away, put my gloves on, grab my poles, start going up the hill. Goodbye lake for now. Alright, back on flat ground again. Also got myself warmed up again going up that hill. I was a little cold after flying the drone. Just got back to the fork, so I should have about a half a mile to go. Alright, made it back to the creek. Got about 10 more minutes to go. Remember when I said that I only need these when I'm pulling a sled with camping gear on it? Well, scratch that, because they helped me a lot on the way back. And there's no sled behind me. Well, made it back to the car. I'm wore out, starting to get dark. These trekking poles, Ozark Trail trekking poles, they worked pretty good. They helped me get up a lot of hills on the way back. Hope you enjoyed the video and the drone footage. I'll see you again next time.